So I'm going to convert this 2D image to a 3D model. You can take your own design, and this image should be in SVG format that you can get from Illustrator, or else you can convert any PNG or JPG to SVG through a online converter. Let's start. So first you have to import this image. For that you have to go to File, Import, then you have to click here. After that I'm going to my folder. This is my image. Let's import it. So that image comes in my viewport. Then you have to go here. Then you can change the color. After that we need to go here. Then we can give little extrude to it as much you want. So I'll going to use a depth also. So I'm going to use like 0.001 is fine for me. Yep, wonderful. So if you didn't like the topology of this model, you can use a remesher to remesh it for a good topology. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.